want to say right now, to whatever devil thinks they can be in my house, I'm an intercessor. I'm a prayer warrior, okay? And I will cast you right out of this house. I don't know how you got in here. I'm sure it was probably my son Josiah watching that new Batman movie. He needs to be worried about the Son of Man instead of all these other mans, Batman, Iron Man, Superman. I'll deal with him later, but I'm going to deal with you right now. You get out of this house in the name of Jesus. Shibata Honda, Shudabata, you show yourself. Reveal yourself right now, devil.